Looking for a simple way to send money? MoneyGram inside Walmart is your answer. MoneyGram and Walmart have partnered to bring you an easy and fast way to send or receive money across the United States and internationally. If you've ever searched for MoneyGram near me or MoneyGrams near me, chances are your local Walmart is the best place to start. Here's how it works. To begin a transfer, head to the Walmart Money Center or customer service desk. Ask for the Walmart MoneyGram or say you want to send money through Walmart. You'll be asked to provide basic details like the receiver's name, location, and the amount you wish to send. Make sure to carry a valid government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. If you're receiving money, bring your reference number and ID. The process is quick, secure, and widely accessible. Wondering, does Walmart team MoneyGram? Yes, almost every Walmart store offers this service. You can also search MoneyGram nearby me on Google Maps or, just directly visit www.moneygram.com/locations to find the closest location instantly. The cost depends on how much you're sending and where. For domestic transfers under $50, fees start around $4. For larger amounts, fees can go up to $16 or more. International transfer charges vary depending on the country and currency. You can pay using cash or a debit card, and in many locations, you can even initiate a transfer online and complete it in-store. Another option is the Walmart to Walmart money transfer service powered by RIA and MoneyGram. It allows instant transfers between Walmart stores across the United States and Puerto Rico. Perfect for family emergencies or fast remittances. Always double-check the details on www.walmart.com/money-services or call your nearest Walmart before visiting. With the power of Walmart and the global reach of MoneyGram, sending money has never been easier or more accessible.